Chloe, I don't know what to do. Money is so tight right now and I feel so helpless. I need to do something, but with the kids in the house, I can't just go out and get a job. I feel completely stuck.
Maya, take a deep breath. I have an idea. Will you trust me on this? It's a business you can start from your kitchen table with almost no money and, get this, no inventory and no shipping.
Is that even possible? What are you talking about?
It absolutely is. It's called Etsy Printables. Let me tell you my story.
Chloe, I don't know what to do. Money is so tight right now and I feel so helpless. I need to do something, but with the kids in the house, I can't just go out and get a job. I feel completely stuck.
Maya, take a deep breath. I have an idea. Will you trust me on this? It's a business you can start from your kitchen table with almost no money and, get this, no inventory and no shipping.
Is that even possible? What are you talking about?
It absolutely is. It's called Etsy Printables. Let me tell you my story. Look, Maya, a few months ago, I was exactly where you are. I love designing things, planners for myself, coloring sheets for the kids, little quote art for the walls. One day I just wondered, what if I could sell these online?
But isn't that a huge hassle? Printing, packing, running to the post office.
That's the magic. I started selling printables. They're just digital files, usually PDFs. A customer buys it, downloads it instantly, and prints it themselves. I don't have to do a thing. I create a design once, and it can sell hundreds of times, even while I'm sleeping.
That's amazing. But what would I sell? I'm not a special artist or anything. You're wrong, Maya. You're a brilliant homemaker. Everything you do every day is a skill that people will pay for. Think about what's already a bestseller on Etsy.
1. Products that organize people's lives, planners and organizers. Those meal planners and grocery lists you make? Thousands of busy moms would buy them. The budget trackers you use to manage your family's expenses. Fun short charts to get the kids to help out. H3 heading. 2. Printables for life special moments, event printables. People spend so much on parties. You can sell printable games and decorations for birthdays and baby showers. Wedding invitation templates are a huge, profitable market. H3 heading. 3. Activities for kids, the screen-free goldmine. Every parent is looking for coloring pages and activity sheets to keep their kids entertained. You already make these.
I can do all of that. But how would I design them? I just have my old laptop.
You don't need any fancy software. I built my entire business using a free tool called Canva. It's so easy. It has thousands of ready-made templates for everything. You just pick one, change the colors and fonts to match your style, and download it as a PDF print file.
Seriously? It's that simple?
Yes. You could create your first weekly meal planner template today. Your first product, ready in less than an hour.
That day, Maya took her first step. She channeled her creativity and her experience as a homemaker into a digital product. A few weeks later, while she was playing with her kids in the park, her phone buzzed with a notification, cha-ching, you've made a sale on Etsy. That feeling was priceless. It wasn't just about the few dollars. It was the validation. It was the first dollar she had earned from her very own business, on her own terms. Your story can be just like Maya's. It starts with a single idea. I've laid out the entire step-by-step process, from setting up your shop to making your first sale in my detailed guides. You can start with our ultimate guide to selling on Etsy. This isn't just a business. It's a chance to prove to yourself that you are a home CEO.